do you really enjoy your life after work? Or 'pag 5 PM, pagod na talaga?
Masyadong deep. And ano siya, um,
Actually, magandang question.
mm,
But, alam mo yung feeling na naandyan siya pero hindi mo siya natututukang isipin? Nage-gets niyo ba?
Paano yun? Hindi mo siya
di ko
natutupag
masyadong
isipin?
na-gets but go ahead. Ano?
Parang, after ng office, after ng 5 o'clock, pagdating mo sa bahay kasi diretso ka na niyan, nanonood ka na ng TV or makipaglaro ka sa bahay, sa bata, sa anak mo. Pero, ah, hindi mo naisip na, "Kumusta ba ako after 5 o'clock? Pagod na ba ako? Kailan ko ba ipagpatuloy pa 'to?" Kumbaga readily na naandyan siya, pero hindi mo napagtutuunan ng pansin. Oo nga 'no, gandang question.
Nag-e-evolve kasi. Feeling ko nag-e-evolve siya. I mean, back in the day nung first few years or even before marriage, tapos after marriage, parang ano, yung after work, you still get to do a lot of things. You still have the energy,
Correct,
medyo bata-bata pa
ah.
at that time.
So, ibig sabihin na yan lang. Ibig sabihin ngayon ano, bata pa rin, bat pa rin, pa rin.
Ibig sabihin, dati, you can go for a run, or meron ka pang energy to go out with your friends. Pero ngayon, at I think lahat naman tayo 40s na 'no? 40 ka na? 40 ka na?
Yeah.
Yeah, kayo 40s.
So, I'm 20.
Yeah. Talagang yung energy talagang really drops.
Yeah, agree.
And after work, talagang spent ka na. May manonood ka na talaga ng TV. Minsan nga hindi ka na makapaglaro sa mga bata, kasi talagang wala ng energy. Especially sa akin, my work is sobrang haba ng work hours. And I do surgeries na nakatayo the whole day. So pagdating sa bahay, wala na talagang
Parang nilu-look forward mo na yung 5 'no?
nilo forward ko not to do something else na mas masaya.
Yeah, yeah.
But, for me, yung masaya is yung matulog
Oo.
or manood ng TV, mag-Netflix hanggang
Correct,
hanggang gabi. So,
12:00 gan dire-diretso na,
the question is, masaya ka ba? Well, ano ba yung ibig sabihin nung pagiging
Yeah,
masaya?
correct, oo.
Masaya ako because I'm fulfilled. Siguro ngayon is I get a sense of fulfillment na this is where I am, na this is what I prayed for or I really worked
Yeah,
hard for
yeah.
10 years ago.
Correct, correct.
Pero dahil nga andito na ako what I prayed for, hindi ko alam na yung what I prayed for would take so much of my life.
That's always the question, 'di ba? That's always the question. But yeah, are you really happy after 5?
Yes, ako I am. I'm happy. Uh, I'm happy that I
Looking forward sa Netflix ba yan?
hindi, hindi,
Or what?
there's something 5 because I get to see my kids. But pwede ka naman kasi maging happy and maging tired at the same time.
Yeah.
Yun nga lang, there are some things that you wish you could, uh, do more.
Mhm.
Parang there are forms of happiness ano?
Mm.
Parang hindi lang siya yung literal na, okey enjoy tayo or whatsoever. Pero, happiness din na kahit pagod ako, pagdating ko sa bahay, I'm fulfilled, eh. I'm happy.
Kasi mas mapera na ngayon.
Uy, patay tayo yun lang yun, eh. Dati kasi kahit anong trabaho parang, wait lang, may pan-taxi ba ako?
Hindi, dati nga ano, korneto lang iniisip akong afford mo ba yung korneto?
Yeah. Pero yun na, ang gandang question 'no?
Ikaw, what's the answer to your own question?
Tama, seasons, seasons in life. Sometimes I enjoy my workout, sometimes I don't. Sometimes after work
Your work or your workout?
nagwo-workout ako.
Nice.
So, parang nag-e-enjoy ako. Akala mo naman, 'no? Yung, I usually do, ano, yung like martial arts or something, jiu-jitsu or kickboxing. But I am sometimes I'm so tired na parang ayoko siyang gawin. Pero yeah, depends on the season. Like, let's say for example, now I'm a student again. So, parang na-excite akong mag-scan ulit, magbasa ulit. Parang ayoko muna mag-workout, may gano'ng season. Pero baka 2 weeks lang yun.
Pero happy ka pa happy ka pa din doon sa alam mo after 5 ito dami pa ring ginagawa, eh,
Dami kong ginagawa,
Oo.
na-excite ako.
'di ba?
Sige, siyempre after work, uwi ka sa bahay,
Yeah.
hang out with your kids, eat dinner. Usually sa bahay ako nagdi-dinner. So yeah, I'm happy spending my time with them and also doing things that I can't do here in the clinic kasi I'm focused on the patients also. So yeah, yun seasons in life.
Yeah.
Depends pa rin. Hi, this is Dr. Jonas Apostol.
Hi, I'm Sherwin Mendoza.
And I am Dr. Roque Velasquez.
Welcome to After Office, conversations that matter beyond 9 to 5. Okay, so why did we start this podcast? Ano?
Pag nga ba? Ba't tayo, ikaw yung unang nag-reach.
Oo nga pala, oo nga. Dito sa room na to eh.
So what triggered your
Sabi ko
your
parang,
curiosity?
parang it's time to go out of the shell. Kasi I've been hiding for so long. We've been hiding for so long. I mean, we've been doing a lot of things in the social media, but me personally, I don't wanna see myself there. Kasi introvert ako eh, I'm a shy guy.
Ako din actually, pareho tayo.
Teka, tutunong tiyo. Manual.
Bakit tayo dito? Bakit dito? Pack up na.
So, sabi ko, uy, kailangan ko. Pero, tas bigla akong naisip ko kayong dalawa. Sabi ko, pag nagkwentuhan kami nito, ang dami namin, oo,
Kulang isang oras. Kulang 2 oras. Yeah.
So sabi ko, it's time for us to, why not?
Yeah.
I mean, share our knowledge,
Correct.
share everything, our insights. I mean, we're already in our 4th decade of life. So, I must say, medyo experienced na tayo sa buhay. So, it's a good thing to share something, some values, some
Yeah.
whatever things na kaya naisip ko, why not create a podcast with these two guys, the 2 gentlemen. So yeah, that's why.
Ako naman,
Tinawagan ko kayo.
nag-go agad ako.
Nag-yes.
I mean, ang bilis ko mag-yes. Normally, I would think about it for a long time. Kasi medyo allergic ako with not really social media in general, but I want to live a certain level of anonymity.
Oh, wow. What's that?
Anonymity, may dictionary, yeah. Hindi ko parang, although hindi ko naman expect na sobrang sumikat just because of a podcast, but I want to be to live a more private life. Pero, parang for a long time, naisip ko na I want to have a venue or platform wherein I can really make a positive influence on people. And siguro with church, that's something different. And also with my with my colleagues, different din yun. And I really don't want to really go out there and deal with all of my vet friends.
Okay.
So, gusto ko ng iba namang interest.
Yeah.
And kaya ako nag-yes is because yun nga, I want to also share what little knowledge I have about life, all of the experiences that I've had in the past.
Ako kasi,
Bro.
nung tumawag ka, knowing nakasama si Rocky saka ikaw, go na agad. Oo, go na agad. Hindi, parang, alam mo yung feeling na pag, alam mo yung mga kasama mo talagang, yung feel of safety tsaka security. Nung una natatakot ako kasi takot ako sa camera. Oo, takot ako sa camera. Pero security. Ay, kaya. Hindi, ibig sabihin, pag itong dalawa kasama ko, alam ko nasa tamang landas ako. Di ba? Tapos, siyempre, oo. Tayo. Nadagdagan pa na, ang ganda na sinabi mo kanina at our age, 40.
Yung sinabi yung maganda, yung sinabi ko yun.
Hindi, maganda na yung sinabi mo. Pero alam mo yun parang, may nabasa akong book, eh. Sinasabi nila na at the age of 40 meron daw tayong tinatawag na crystallized intelligence. So, what's that?
Oo, bago
So
sa'kin
yeah, ang sabi dun sa book is, ah, may mga bagay nung bata tayo hindi natin sila ma-explain ng mabuti. Pero dahil because of the experiences that we had sa trabaho, sa family, whatsoever, ah, ang bilis nating na-explain kahit na hindi natin alam siya, ah, sabihin na lang natin na napag-aralan natin siya, kayang-kaya natin siya. So, ang ganda nung, platform for us to share doon sa mga bagong may asawa, 'di ba? Doon sa mga bagong may
tatay,
bagong tatay, 'di ba?
bagong may trabaho.
Yeah, so lahat ng bago,
Hmm.
ano mo pa. So, alam mo yung parang, go ako diyan, go ako diyan. Tsaka at the same time ano, um, malaking tulong ito para nakakatulong na tayo sa public and then at the same time natututo din tayo sa kanila.
Yeah,
Kaya
I agree.
Sa mga bashing, yun.
bashing, oo. Hindi ang ganda nung ano, ang ganda nung wala pang may basher ka. Ang ganda nung sikat. Ang ganda nung pangalan na naisip, After Office. Kasi ngayon kasi ang tao pagod na, eh.
Hmm.
So parang they need a place, a safe haven na gusto kong sumama sa mga or gusto kong makarinig, sumama sa mga taong ito kasi sobrang ang gulo ng mundo. I want to rest. I want to restore my energy. So, ganda nung ano, nung After Office podcast.
Yeah, concept, no?
Yeah, sobrang ganda.
Ganda ganda bro.
Ano,
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pangalan.
oo, na-inspire natin ng ano, biglaan.
Bigla habang kumakain.
Habang kumakain. After office. Coffee after office or wine after office.
Pwede mo ano yun, wine, coffee.
Pwede sabay, pinitso.
Yeah, oo.
How did we become friends?
Ikaw na mag-start niyan.
So, we became friends back in 2013 when I started my first small group in church. It's kasi in church you're encouraged to form a small group to lead them and disciple them. And I signed up with CCF. It's our church. I wanted to lead a group. Tapos may nauna na mga 2 tao. And then siguro mga weeks after, may nag-text sa'kin na meron daw nag-sign up for me to be part of my small group. Tapos si Jonas yun. I first met him in
Venue.
venue.
Plano kayo,
Wala tinibag na ba ito? So we first met in a venue together with our really good friend John. Tapos yun, doon nag-start. And then we went to a retreat. I facilitated in a retreat. Tapos nagkataon si Jonas si Sherwin naman is also part of that retreat.
Yeah.
And then
Pero hindi pa tayo magkakilala.
hindi pa totally hindi magkakilala. So si Sherwin is under my group in the retreat.
Kasi
Tapos kasi ano,
medyo ano na tayo, adult na tayo.
oo, young adults.
Yes, adults, young adults.
And then after the retreat, I invited him to join our small group. Tapos doon na kami nagkita-kitang 3. There are also other people in the group. Tapos for some reason, nung kinasal siya, halos sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay na nagkaroon ng anak.
Yeah.
Tapos sabay-sabay na tumanda.
Yeah.
Tapos at that time din, parang lahat tayo nagsa-start in our careers. Lahat tayo broke, like broke. Na sobrang broke walang pera. So somehow nagkaroon ng parallelism of our lives na sabay-sabay na umaangat, sabay-sabay na ina-achieve, sabay-sabay na naggo-grow ang family. And then through the years we also went into different trips abroad.
Correct.
So lalo kami naging close. Once in a while we'd hang out and we have a chat group. So talaga
Every Christmas pa, no?
every Christmas. I mean, I would say that these 2 are really one of my closest friends. Ikaw, for yung POV mo, ano mga nangyari? Baka may mga na-miss out akong details eh.
Hindi ako kasi na-invite ako sa GLC, sa church din. It's a training sa church. Tapos eventually na-invite sa ah, retreat. Fortunately, dun ako napunta sa grupo mo.
Mm.
And then actually ang bilis ng transition, The rest is history na, ah, pinaka-thankful ako, sa inyong dalawa. Kasi
Wow naman.
oo. Kasi nabanggit mo kanina broke tayo lahat. Tandang-tanda ako nun dati nahihiya ako, Naglalakad ako sa may Avenue, nakita ko ni Rocky naglalakad sa katanghalian. As in nahiyang-hiya ako, sabi ko nakakahiya ako nakita ko ni Rocky na naglalakad,
Pero naman,
'di ba? Pero alam mo yun parang, yung mga moments na yun, tandaan mo pumupunta pa ako sa tawag dito, sa Bible study para lang kumain.
kasi may free food.
May free food, 'di ba?
Medyo nagkaroon ako ng konting nakaangat ako ng konti 'no, nakaluwag-luwag.
Nakaluwag-luwag
So
ka
may
na nun.
konting free food. Nabangat ko yung party na yun, Heaven's Barbecue at Plugging.
Oo, hindi
Heaven's
ko yung
Barbecue.
yun. And then, alam mo yun parang, through your guidance, through our D group, talagang, andun na yung growth spiritually. At the same time, yung career natin talagang galing, no?
Sabay-sabay.
Nagsabay-sabay na.
Grabe.
Hindi ko alam kung ano, tawag dito, kung anong ginagawa ni Rocky, ginagawa natin, no? Ganun ba yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam na ginagawa niya. Ba yun? Ibig sabihin, nag-asawa nag-asawa si Rocky, nag-asawa ikaw, nag-asawa ako. Nagkaroon ka ng anak. Oy, teka, anak na rin si Jonas, anak din ako. Tapos, tawag dito, nagkaroon ka ng business, dun sa career ko naman, umangat na rin ako. Parang ganda, ang galing talaga. Na yan yung isa sa mga lagi kong kinekwento sa mga, sa team ko,
Mhm.
sa trabaho na, you need to find the circle, to find people that will push you to be better. So, dun ako
Yeah, correct.
Nice.
Ikaw naman.
Ikaw, Doc Jonas.
Ako ba, ano
Yeah.
ba, natandaan ko lang yun, yung mga moment na yun,
Hindi pa ganyan ang hairstyle mo nun eh.
Hindi pa. Iba pa lahat.
Kimpi pa.
Bro, wala akong pambili ng damit. Yung damit ko parang paulit-ulit lang.
Pare-pares lang tayo nun.
'Di ba? Ang si Rocky na dun, iba na yung sapatos niya everyday,
Ba,
Hindi mo ba?
Hindi pa.
Ako dati parang 'di ba naglalakad ka? Naglalakad din naman ako, I love it. Labit lang, oo.
Oo, mula De La Rosa hanggang Makati Ave. Hindi naman gano'n kalayo yun.
Hindi naman gano'n kalayo. So naglalakad din ako. Pero nag-iisip din ako na kunwari maglalakad ako, mapapagod ako, ang mahal ng C2, Magkano din yun? 15, 'di ba?
True.
So that moment na nagkakilala tayo, wala talaga. Like I had nothing. I mean, may title, dentista na ako nun, wala lang akong pera, 'di ba? So, tayo lahat, we have a purpose and that is to grow,
Yeah.
spiritually.
Yeah.
So that's really the reason why perhaps God pointed us. Ikaw nag-decide ka, ako nag-decide ako
Sign up.
ikaw din. So, feeling ko itong mga kumag na 'to kailangan natin ng
Yeah, kasi nung sila-sila lang na mag-isa-isa, nag-wait ako sa mapariwarado mo.
Oo, patay tayo diyan. So, feeling ko it's a destiny na mag-meet tayo that moment tapos tuloy-tuloy na.
Agree.
And that's how many years?
2013, 13 years.
13 years.
Going 14 years.
Bilis. Bilis ng
Sa
panahon.
iglap lang yun.
Yeah. Na kahit nagkakalayo-layo na ng location,
Yeah,
'di ba?
it feels like
South na ako, ikaw extreme south.
Oo, extreme south ako, 'di ba?
Ibang probinsya.
extreme down. Grabe,
Nagko-coastal. Coastal.
Nako. So ngayon, after 5 PM, I developed a routine. So as what I have mentioned a while ago, medyo seasonal this season because I just went back from Germany. Medyo ang gusto kong mangyari aral, no. But before that, I mean for more than a year, I've been doing a lot of martial arts. So jiu-jitsu, judo, kickboxing. So na-excite ako and also with Coach Jay. So, na-excite ako na mag-workout because it's a form of therapy. It's not really for me na maging bulk or maging pa-sexy or something. It's not like that. It's more on like the
Pero
therapy in my
saan mo na
head.
yun?
Well,
May product na eh, no?
pero hindi naman nagda-diet, bro. Walang diet, bro. So it's more on ano lang, more on like that lang yung ginagawa ko after office.
Ayan.
Yun. After office, after 5. Yeah. Yun.
Sa'kin kasi, after 5, by the way ako kasi nasa sales industry eh. So, itong
Nasa sales ka pala.
nasa sales ako kaya I'm very proud na 2 dog ang nasa kanan at kaliwa ko, 'di ba? Pero I'm really happy na I'm with you guys. 9 to 5, actually yung 5
Mhm.
go up to 12.
Mhm.
Ang trabaho kasi most of the sales, especially in our industry, dun pa rin lang nagsisimula eh.
Dahil
Dahil, yun yung time na yung mga clients namin free na, wala ng trabaho, puwede ng, mag-meet ng appointment, puwede na kayong mag-discuss kung ano yung gusto nilang malaman. So, pinaka-late ko siguro hanggang 1 AM in the morning. But yung 9 to 5 kasi in the morning, dun ko ginagawa yoong ginagawa mo after 5. So, parang ang nangyayari,
doon ka nag-workout.
oo, dun ako nagwo-workout, walking pala, walking pala.
Workout is a big word.
'Di ba? Walking po tayo, and then yung ano lang, yung may
It's not that you use workout loosely.
minor stretch at saka ano kasi tawag dito, ah, talagang ano, hands-on ako sa anak ko ngayon. So, ako yung naghahatid sundo sa eskwelahan in the morning, tapos mga 9, 10 o'clock diyan pa lang ako nag-start na mag-rally to my team. And, in between, hindi naman siya yung totally hardcore na ano, na trabaho, pero mag-start ako ulit niyan mga 2 hanggang dire-diretso na siya gabi. So, papaano ko naman kung wala kasi 9 to 5 tayo ta's, 'di ba, yun yung pinaka-target natin eh. Nilo-look forward ko yung maglalaro kami ng anak ko. Ang isang pinagkakaabalahan ko ngayon, huwag kayong matatawa.
Nintendo.
Hindi, nasa farming kasi ako ngayon. So, nag-e-enjoy ako nabanggit ko sa'yo.
Yeah.
Na
Farming?
oo,
Farmer yan eh.
oo, natutuwa ako ngayon kasi it replenish my energy. Iba eh 'pag nakakabuhay ka ng halaman, 'di ba? Or
Saan ka tanim?
sa amin lang din. So, sa likod bahay.
Oo.
So, meron dong free space na kahit hindi sa'min tinaniman ko. May iba yun. Ikat mo yun. So, pero nandun tayo sa point na yun. And then, naglalaro kami ni Dylan kasi si Dylan is growing his, ranking sa chess. So, yun yung isang fino-focus namin sa ngayon. So, more on, dun sa farming, more on sa anak ko. And then at the same time, para sa sarili ko naman, natutuwa akong magbasa. So, madalas nagbabasa din ako
Mhm.
pagkatapos ng trabaho.
Nice.
So, ayun yung ginagawa ko madalas 'pag
Reader. Let's go.
Ay, isip ako ng magandang pwedeng sabihin.
parang ayan, dami mong ginagawa.
Okay, dahil ginagawa.
Go reader, lahat na farmer.
Makatakbo na nga ulit. Or ano tawag yung bagong ngayon?
Pickleball.
Pickleball. Ay, sabi ko paddleboard. Pickleball.
Iba yung paddleboard, iba yun.
Ano yun? Sa dagat?
Hindi pa sa ano yun. May difference ba yan? Akala ko parehas lang. Di ba yung sa mga ano, sa college na minsan may na
Hindi. Paddle lang yun.
paddle lang ba? Paddle lang pala yun. Parang prop yun.
Hindi, paddleboard is paddle yung sa Boracay, nagaganon ka paddle.
Okay, okay.
Na hindi ko matutunan. Anyway,
Okay.
beyond 9 to 5, talagang feeling ko nako-consume talaga ako ng work. Parang most of my time is na kukuha ng mga patients. Kasi kahit nasa bahay na ako, nag-aano pa rin ako eh, I check on my patients na kung yung mga naka-confine, kung okay ba sila. Yung mga sinergery ko, gising na ba? Kasi iiwan ko sila, naka-intubate pa eh. So, tatawagan ko pa yung hospital kung tanggal na ba yung tube, okey pa ba. In the past, I started painting again
Wow!
kasi
Ay, ang galing nito. Galing nga.
nagpe-paint ako nung high school. Mahilig akong mag-charcoal. Tapos somehow through the years nawala, kasi life happened and nawala na yung mga hobbies na gusto mo nung before. So 2 years ago nag-start ulit ako mag-paint and talagang siya, every time after ko mag-work nagpe-paint ako. So I think I should go back. So nakaka-relax yung
Mitch, ang
painting
galing.
for me. And dati nagwo-workout din ako after work, pero hindi na ngayon masyado. Mas gusto ko yung early morning, yung workout.
Basta may workout, 'di ba?
Ah,
Basta may workout.
Pero yeah, I spend time with my kids, I watch TV with my kids. Um, Ano pa ba? Nag-iisip ako ng mga specific na nakaka-depress na wala pala akong masyadong ginagawa after. So nauubos yung oras ko after 9 to 5. That's why nung tinanong mo nga itong about sa podcast is a nice way also to again hang out. Kasi before we used to hang out after after work. Magte-text lang yung isa and then andun na tayo. It's because probably the responsibility at that time is not so big yet.
Yeah.
You can leave earlier, and then wala pa masyadong expectations
Yep.
sa pag-uwi ng bahay because nung mga sanggol pa lang yung mga bata, hindi ka pa naman nila hinahanap, eh.
Yeah.
So parang kahit nagwo-workout ka kahit hanggang mga 8 or 9 PM, it's okay. Kami mag-asawa nagwo-workout kami ng hanggang gabi. Tapos uuwi kami sa mga bata. So kasi hindi pa sila naghahanap. Ngayon kasi yung mga bata dun na sa point na naghahanap pa sila ng dad,
Yeah.
yung time with them. So yun, pag-uwi talagang I make it a point na I spend time with my kids.
Yeah. Especially malapit na sila sa
Tsaka
years.
yung time wherein they need all the guidance,
Correct.
influence.
Agree. Correct.
Kung ano yung values na gusto mong ipakita, ito na yung time talaga to do it. When they are still malleable.
Tsaka ito yung mga bagay na papasok sa core memory nila na kahit na wala tayo, ay ito yung tinuro sa akin nila dati.
Pero noon nung nagha-hangout tayo, I remember, we just sit down,
Relax.
magko-coffee,
Relax lang, no?
and just endless chatting about different things, about life. Pero tandang-tanda ako laging
Ano yun?
lagi tayong hindi, parang ang tema everytime magkikita-kita tayo, even nga nung halos magdamag tayong nagkuwentuhan sa Iceland, isa lang lagi yung tema, it's about life.
Yep.
Life in general, laging diyan pupunta yung usapan. How's your life? What is the meaning really of being successful?
Yeah.
What are your ano yung plans natin individually? We get to update each one of us kung ano nangyayari sa life natin, and with those chats parang we get to learn something new. Not only about each other but also some new strategies, new ideas we can also use it in our own personal lives. So yun, feeling ko yung lagi pag nagkikita-kita tayo is yun yung main topic.
May question din. Kanina nabanggit mo na parang you're thinking about doon sa ano pa ba yung ginagawa ko after 5? Di ba? Kailangan bang puliin dapat yun?
Dapat
Or is it okay na, wait lang uupo lang ako dito manonood ako ng Netflix, magkakape ako. I want a peace and quiet moment. Pwede ba yun?
I think hindi lang pwede yun, dapat may ganon.
Dapat may ganun, ano? Yeah.
Wherein you can just zone out and then refocus
Yeah.
and realign, kasi you can get caught up with a lot of things happening na nawawalan ka ng focus, eh.
Yeah.
Sobrang sabay-sabay, tumaas ang bilihin, tumaas ang gas, tapos may client ka na hindi okay, may patient ka hindi okay, tapos yung anak mo naghahanap ng time with you. So minsan sasabay-sabay siya na medyo overwhelming.
Yeah.
So I think all of us really needs that moment of silence.
Yung pause, no?
Oo.
Oo. Additional question. Pasensya ka na kayo, marami akong tanongin, no? Sige, additional
Oo nga eh.
question.
Ang pinaghandaan mo to.
Hindi. Hindi. Naano ko lang ako. Pumasok lang sa isip ko. So kung ganun pala, tawag dito, karamihan kasi lalo sa mga tao ngayon, ano,
Mhm.
iba yung tingin nila sa taong busy eh.
Ano ba? Ano ba yung tingin ng
Parang
Positive ba? Or hindi?
hindi, usual, ito yung napapansin ko especially sa generation na pag busy ang isang tao, uy, that person is a successful man.
I disagree. It's a question ba yun?
Hindi nga, yung na-observe ko
na-observe mo?
na-observe ko.
Naririnig?
Yeah, hindi lang na-observe, naririnig at nakikita ko directly na
Pag busy, parang
wow, busy to. Lucky
ano?
Ibang klase. Parang yung value mo kasi is, tawag dito, in demand. Yan. Your values in demand. Sobrang busy ni Doc Rocky. I want to be like that man.
Well, only up to a certain point. Parang feeling ko yung business is not really a measure of success.
Okay.
Tingin ko yung true success is when you can afford to not do anything.
Doon papasok yung pause.
Not even. Yung talagang
Same.
well, medyo kasi debatable at medyo controversial.
Yeah.
Kasi of course, we live in a society wherein everyone is expected to really work your way up into the ladder. But really, for me, I can call myself really made it wherein I can just not do anything super strenuous or not doing too much, but you can spend a lot of time and yet you are living comfortably. You can spend a lot of time not doing anything, but you're living comfortably.
Yeah.
I think financial freedom talaga is the way to go. Yung parang wala kang masyadong iniisip. I cannot speak for everyone, but for me, yung pagiging busy it's a good thing for financially, pero physically it takes a lot of a toll on your body plus on your mind, your mental health. Yung talagang super busy, like wala ka ng oras for anything else. I'm not saying that it's totally bad because yung pagiging busy is what's feeding me and my family. But I would want to see the day na I can wake up and not hurry myself to work. And yet, we are living a comfortable life.
Yeah.
Ito yung naririnig ko sa Rocky, parang galing bakasyon talaga eh, no? Ito kasi pag galing Europe, parang ganun yung lifestyle eh, no? Gising ka
Pero,
umaga, may kape, may
Mag-Europe ka, pero pagbalik mo,
yun.
9 to sawa.
9 to sawa. Ano 9 to 5? 9 to sawa.
How about you, Topilunas? Ano yung
Opinion mo about yung
Yeah.
pagiging busy?
Pagiging busy.
Oo, kasi ikaw busy ka rin eh.
If you're-
Puno yung schedule
Schedule, yeah. If you're trying to siguro climb the ladder, ayun, kailangan mo maging busy. Tapos, ng sobra. But it really depends on where you are right now. Let's say, for example, you are a well-traveled person like Dr. Aki here. Nakikita mo yung other side of the world na they can work twice a week, thrice a week, but still they can afford to travel the world. That's the reality outside. May mga classmates ako from Switzerland. They work like two times, 3 times a week, and yet they can spend a lot of the most of the weeks nasa ibang punta sila ng Italy, punta sila ng Lake Como, balik sila, mag-ski sila somewhere, babalik sila doon, work din naman ulit, twice, thrice a week. So, if you see some of those things, parang no-open yung mind mo. But in reality, we are in this position na wala naman tayo sa Switzerland, brother. Well, nasa
Well, I mean,
Pilipinas tayo.
Ibigit sa atin ang sweldo kung nang walang ginagawa. Sa kanila kasi 'pag nawalan ka ng trabaho, bibigyan ka pa nila ng allowance.
Allowance.
Kasi ka nakakita ng gano'n.
Exactly,
Lang.
exactly. So sa atin, the reality,
'Pag hindi ka rin trabaho, gutom. Ayuda kasi sa'min ano lang, eh. Ay, parang hindi ako nakatikim ng nanguha ng ayuda ever.
Pero ang galing nun ano, ilang oras lang trabaho and yet, 'di ba? They can afford all those
exactly.
things.
But that's well, highly rich country, highly developed country. We are in a developing country,
Yeah.
and we cannot complain. You know, I personally love paying my taxes. No. So what are you guys expecting in this podcast? Ano ba, seryosohin ba natin 'to or ano?
Well, ano ba ibig sabihin ng seseryosohin?
Well, being consistent siguro, something like that.
Oh, I
We
think
will
it's a good venue for us to have, a time off from work
Yeah.
na yung mga sinasabi natin na yun lang ginagawa natin after work, eh, di magkaroon tayo ng a different side na hindi lang tayo magne-Netflix na after sa bahay or eto.
Hindi just
So, I think consistency is really I'm all for it, for the consistency of doing this on a regular basis.
yeah. For me siguro what our audience and us will be expecting from this podcast, yun nga, safe haven. Alam mo parang, puwede kang magpakatotoo, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Minsan kasi sa trabaho kailangan iba yung hat mo, eh, 'di ba? Kung if you're a CEO, if you're a dentist, talagang andun dapat yung commanding power mo, yung leadership mo. Pero minsan nakakapagod siya, eh. So pagdating ng 5:00, "Okay, let's go na, dito tayo sa after office, makinig tayo, enjoy tayo, I can be myself, let's have coffee, 'di ba, let's have wine." And then hihinga ako, a time for us to restore our energy, 'di ba?
Nice.
Nice.
'Di ba?
Yeah. So yeah.
Ako sa I want to, I want to, well, the one that I'm expecting dito sa podcast ito, and what also our probably listeners, kung sino man sila na makikinig sa atin, is I want them to relate,
Yeah.
to have parang somehow a group of friends also wherein they can relate sa mga experiences,
Yeah.
with the frustrations in life, in work, in in family, and somehow also and hopefully learn lessons, inspire people, and help them in what little ways we can, na may mapulot sila na that they can apply in their lives. Yun. So I think that's what I want them to see.
Tsaka siguro dagdag ko yung maybe we can share a bit of our expertise, 'di ba? Ba't kailangan nila, eh, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Healthcare, ano ba kailangan kong gamiting toothpaste, Doc Jonas? Siyempre yung sa'kin, 'di ba? So, 'di ba? Doc Rocky, I have a dog, 5 sila. Ano min dapat na, gawin kong
Baka kailangan ko mag-start ng ibang podcast for my vet clinic. Kunin ko nga yung mga number na pangat to.
kasi, for our audience 'no, ang tagal na natin sa industry, 'di ba? Tagal na nating nagtatrabaho, yun yung
Ilang taon na ba?
na kailangan nilang kuhanin. Swerte,
This is my 9th year.
'di ba, 19 years in the industry,
Yung wrinkles ko maalala.
'di ba?
19 years.
'Di ba? So, 'di ba, madami silang mapupulot. The same time, chill lang, walang pressure, 'di ba? Puwede kang magtanong,
Oh.
puwede kang tawag dito, dalhin mo mga friends mo.
So makarelate sila,
Correct.
matawa sila.
Correct. Kung may bago silang tawag dito, endeavor na gustong pasukin, 'di ba? Kasi mga businessman,
Endeavor.
diba?
That's big word.
'di ba? Gusto kong magtayo ng sarili kong ganito,
Sa dining
business.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Anyway, yeah.
And you?
I think ano nga, this will be an avenue for us to share our whatever things na meron tayo, wisdom kung meron man, nakarampot, sa experiences, family,
Yeah.
everything. So, yeah, I think it's a deal. Let's go.
Let's go.
Because at the end of the day, we are not our jobs.
This is After Office, conversation that matters beyond the 9 to 5.
And once again, this is Jonas.
It's Sherwin.
And Rocky, we'll see you after you clock out.